So I'm at the Pride gas station. I just pumped $51.38. 12 gallons, right? This was on E. See? Didn't leave yet. Pride gas station in Massachusetts. Look what it gave me. It gave me 58 miles, quarter tank of gas. And the lady in there says, I don't know, call corporate. So basically, you add this up, I'm paying $10 a gallon. But that's not the price here, because this is an 18-gallon tank. I put 12, so it should be over half a tank on E, which I was. Haven't left here yet. And she says corporate. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna record this shit. We're gonna pay again just to record it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we just put $14. Right? Let's test this theory. Let's see how much they're gonna steal from me now. $14. Go ahead, Louis, pump that shit. It's going faster now, isn't it? Oh, all of a sudden. I see. See?
14.
It's going slow.
That's what it did earlier.
It's going slow.
14, so that should be...
Look how slow this is going. You can't even hear it now.
That should be 4 gallons.
It's going to say 4 gallons. But you can obviously hear I'm not getting my fuel.
You got a bucket?
Huh?
You got a bucket?
I don't got a bucket. But if we go get the diesel thing and fill that up, the 5-gallon thing, I guarantee how much it is to fill up 5 gallons? It's supposed to be 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
It won't fill it.
Okay. Record that. How slow that's going.
Look how slow this is going. You can't hear. Oh, this is a hell of a lawsuit.
Nothing.
They're just robbing us, bro. Straight robbing us. And her response is call corporate. I don't know.
And she was rude as shit.
Very rude. Can't hear none. Can you hear it? I can't hear shit.
I don't hear none.
Got the hand on the trigger. It's straight robbing us. It's giving us a fraction of what. Oh, I'm suing, bro. I'm suing. This is fraud, bro. This is fraud. This is fucking fraud. And I told them that this is happening, and they don't even turn the pump off or anything. Now, let's see. Let's see how much. Yeah, the pump's definitely fucked up. Look, not even half a tank. Not even half a tank. Oh, they fucked, bro. They fucked.